You know how sometimes you get a song lyric stuck in your head? The song just plays and plays and plays and you can't get rid of it no matter how sick you are of thinking about it? Or sometimes how messages play in your head, messages about yourself, negative messages about yourself that continue to discourage you or tell you you're not good enough. Or those things sometimes happen to people. We get those things going around in our head. Well, this week, I've got something that will help you replace that Taylor Swift lyric you can't forget about. I've got something that'll help you replace those negative thoughts in your brain. In fact, I've got a phrase that I think can change everything about the coming year. It's a phrase from the prayer that the Apostle Paul prays in Ephesians chapter 3. And if we hear this phrase, if we understand what he is praying about, if we could roll this phrase over and over and over, round and round in our minds, it would change how we see ourselves, it would change how we see the future, and it would actually line us up with the entire story of God's work with his people. What is the phrase? You're going to have to come and find out. In fact, I'm not even going to tell you the sermon title because the phrase is in the title. You're just going to have to come and see it, or you're going to have to watch it on the YouTube video later. But don't miss it. This could be the most important lesson of the year. If you're coming for Bible study at 10 o'clock, we're still in Acts chapter 4. We're going to start reading at verse 23 of Acts 4. The believers are praying about their trouble, and then we get a picture of what the believers do and how they act and what they look like, another description of the church. Both of those things are really instructive, tons of things to talk about in there. You're going to want to read ahead so you can share your good thoughts with everybody else. Noon lunches start this Sunday, so bring sandwiches, veggies, desserts, chips, things like that. Just easy stuff. Bring enough for your family and a few more people so we can invite guests to stay. I'm really looking forward to that. Noon lunches are a great way just to get to know one another, to fellowship really easily. You're going to have to eat somewhere anyway. Why don't you eat here? Why don't you have a visit with somebody that you don't usually get to visit with? That'd be really nice. Lots of blessings this Sunday. I hope you're here to be part of it.